Hello friends, major change in the taxability of GST on GTA services, goods transport agent services. This is brought in by notification number 3/2022 dated 13th July 2022. This notification amends the original notification number 11/2017 dated 28th June 2017. So what is this major change which this notification has brought in? This notification is effective from 18th July 2022. Now what are this change? Now the GTA operators from 18th July has been given two options. The first option is he can go with the reverse charge option. Second option is he can go with the forward charge option. Now if he decides to go with the reverse charge option, then in how it was there previously, they need not charge any GST. The recipient of services will pay the GST. So the GTA service providers need not charge any GST in their invoice if they choose the reverse charge option. The major change which has happened is in the second option, which is that now GTA can decide whether to go with the forward charge. Now forward charge, again they have given two options in forward charge. Either he can charge 5% or he can charge 12%. If he is charging 5%, then ITC pertaining to that supply cannot be taken as credit. If he is choosing 12%, then he can claim the ITC pertaining to that supply. So he has been given two options under forward charge. Now how the GTA has to choose between reverse charge and forward charge when he will decide? So what the notification says is 15th of March of the preceding financial year, you have to file a declaration showing your interest or mentioning your interest to go with the forward charge. So only if you are going with the forward charge option, you have to file this declaration by 15th of March. So for example, if you want to choose the forward charge option for the financial year 23-24, then by 15th March 2023, you have to choose this option and file the declaration. Now what happens to the financial year, that is the current financial year 22-23, since this notification becomes effective from 18th July 2022. So notification says that option can be chosen current year itself. They have given time till 16th August 2022 to choose this option. So if you are going with the forward charge option, you have to file this declaration before 16th of August. There is an annexure which is actually mentioned in the notification which you have to file. Now from 18th July onwards, if the GTA decides to go with the forward charge, they can issue a tax invoice for the particular period from 18th July to 16th August. And once they issue the tax invoice, then they have to file compulsory the declaration by 16th of August, because they have issued the tax invoice and already decided to go with the forward charge. So these are the basic changes which has come in GTA. Now, one very interesting question which may come is, can the GTA opt both 5% as well as 12% depending on the supplies? That is, in one invoice they charge 5%, next invoice they charge 12%. Is it possible? The answer is yes. They can charge in one invoice 5% and in another invoice 12%. It is not like the previous regime, previous notification which mentioned that once you charge 12%, you have to continue charging 12% for the financial year. Now they have given an option: if you are charging 5%, don't take ITC. If you charge 12%, take ITC. And any ITC which is common, proportionately disallow which is pertaining to 5% and allow which is pertaining to 12%. So this is a major change which has come in GTA. One more big change which has come is the removal of exemption. Now, as everybody know, there was an exemption of a single consignee up to 750 rupees. You had a exemption, and a single consignment if you are taking, there was a 1500 rupees exemption. Now this exemption is gone. There is no exemption for 750 and 1500 rupees. Now with one, even if 1 rupee supply of GTA is done, it is taxable, but you have to decide whether it will be taxable under reverse charge or forward charge. So request all the GTAs to please exercise your option before 16th of August, and if you are deciding for forward charge, issue the tax invoice accordingly 5% or 12% from 18th of July 2022. And if you are going with the reverse charge, clearly mention in your invoice that you are opted to choose for the reverse charge so that the recipient pays the tax under reverse charge. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.